Okay, number 15, simplify x squared times x to the 5th times x to the 13th. So we're multiplying monomials together. When I do that, I want to multiply the coefficients and add the exponents. So again, the coefficients in front of all these are an imaginary 1. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So I can add the exponents. 2 plus 5 plus 13 would be 20, so it would be x to the 20th. 16. Simplify the quantity 3x to the 5th to the 4th power. So that means I want to work out the coefficient to the outside power and then multiply the exponents. So 3 to the 4th means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So I have 81x, and then I multiply 5 times 4, so it would be 81x to the 20th. Okay, 17. Simplify x to the 25th over x to the 5th and y to the 40th over y to the 10th. So we want to reduce coefficients if there are, and then cancel exponents. So again, we can cancel it if they had the same amount on top and bottom. So if this is like having 25 x's and this is like having 5, then I would be able to get rid of all 5 on the bottom, but I have to get rid of 5 on top, so that leaves me with 20. Then I got y to the 10th on bottom and y to the 40th on top, so I'd be able to get rid of all 10 y's, which would leave me with 30 on top. So on top, I now got x to the 20th, y to the 30th, and nothing on bottom. Again, if I have nothing on bottom, I don't need to make it a fraction. It would just be x to the 20th, y to the 30th. Okay, 18. Simplify the square root of 25x to the 8th. Again, we want to square root the coefficient and divide the exponent by 2. So the coefficient is 25, so the square root of 25 is 5. And then I want to divide the exponent by 2, so it would be 5x to the 4th. Okay, 19. What is negative 22x to the 4th plus 4x to the 3rd plus 6x divided by 2x? So I want to divide all by 2x. So negative 22 divided by 2 is negative 11. Then I want to cancel this x. Cancel 1 up here, which leaves me with 3. So x to the 3rd. Plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. And again, I can cancel out 1x on bottom and 1 on top, but it leaves me still with 2 on top. Plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, and I only have 1x on top and 1 on the bottom, so they both go away. So it's negative 11x to the 3rd plus 2x squared plus 3. Okay, number 20. It says Katie is 12 years older than Robbie. The sum of their ages is 82. Find the age of Robbie. So again, we got Katie and Robbie. So since Katie is 12 years older than Robbie, that means Robbie is what I want to use for x. And Katie's going to be 12 more than that. So Katie would be whatever Robbie's age is plus 12. So she'd be x plus 12. Now it says the sum of their ages is 82. Sum means add together. So x plus x is 2x. I have nothing to add to the 12, so plus 12 equals 82. So that's my equation that I need to solve. So I minus 12 divided by 2, I get x equals 35. You always want to make sure you answer the question. It says find the age of Robbie. Well, Robbie is x, so Robbie is 35.